Battery Health, we help with a malfunctioning thyroid much like we would approach any functional medicine case, looking for the root cause.
I think a lot of our lives are so busy that it's very easy for us to just shelve these small little problems and ignore them, such as being too tired or fatigued or slightly irritable.
Do you want to get off your antidepressants safely and naturally? Well, I'm Dr. Kristen Lee, and on this month's segment of Living Well, we're going to talk about just that.
You wake up day in and day out and you find yourself not enjoying normal activities anymore. You know, the neighbors want to come over for dinner and you kind of roll your eyes. Or, you know, the kids want to do a new project and you're kind of like, wow, how much energy is that going to take?
There's good fats such as this olive oil and these nuts, but there's also a lot of bad fats out there that are now finding a new way of hiding in our popular foods. Eye fatigue or eye dryness, and also something where they call it's itchy skin, where you feel like you just want to itch yourself all the time. These can all be symptoms of thyroid disease.
So let's just do some basic review. Okay. The adrenal glands produce some sex hormones, so they're going to produce your testosterone and your estrogen. If your adrenal glands aren't working well, you're going to have decreased hormones. It's also responsible for your blood sugar management. If it's not working well, you're going to have problems that lead to things like diabetes.